The Kaufman County District Attorney's office has been alerting defense attorneys about a mistake in some of the drug cases they're representing their clients in.
Yeah, the weight of the drugs, marijuana, was incorrect because scales used to weigh those drugs were out of calibration. Fox 4's Sean Rabb in now with our story. Sean?
Yeah, Heather, and what's really interesting here is that the machine was out of sync in favor of the defendant. So the drugs weighed less than the actual amount, potentially meaning some people could have faced a higher criminal charge had the weight's been correct.
We looked at the weight, we looked at the lab weight, and the lab weight was a lot more. It was like 1.3 to 2.7, so we knew something was off.
A drug case that went to court in Kaufman County in January of this year sent up red flags that something was off with one of the scales at the Kaufman County Sheriff's Department. Dope in that case weighed less at the Sheriff's Department than at the DPS crime lab in Garland.
And found out that at that point one of the three scales was weighing everything lower than it should.
The office began a review of cases that would not automatically go to the DPS lab for testing and weighing.
The only ones that don't go to the lab would really be the 2 to 4 ounce marijuana cases.
And discovered a handful of other cases that could have been affected.
So we obviously notified all the attorneys that dealt with those 4 cases.
Alerting the defense bar the controlled substance had been weighed less than the actual weight of the substance. Defense attorneys notified even though the error was in favor of the defendants.
Because it's the right thing to do. Even if it's weighing less, that's their job to use that information any way that they may deem it appropriate on a case.
But any evidentiary mistake can become a problem for prosecutors.
Our job is to make sure the victims get justice, but our job also is to make sure defendants get justice too.
If we make a mistake and we want to notify people about the mistake, we do our job so the defense attorneys can do their job to represent their clients.
So the Kaufman County looked at cases over spanning a year's amount of time, only found those 4. The out of calibration scale replaced, new protocols added to test the accuracy of scales before and after any substance is weighed. Heather?
All right, Sean, thank you.
Okay.